Hamilton, Ontario. What's up for free throw from Nashville, Tennessee? Hope you guys are ready to have a good time. You guys ready to have a good time? This first is a little funky. Let me see a circle pit. Make sure to take care of each other. see those hands. It's a pleasure to be here. It was a shake of massive riders, the figure out the reasons why I'm not alright. It was a shake of massive riders, trying to choose the figure out the reasons and why I'm not alright. It was a shake of massive riders, the figure out the reason behind what will be till I'm elaborate. One second back, surviving some kind of genius. The figure out the reason behind what will be till I'm elaborate. One second back, surviving some kind of genius. The figure out the reasons all of this, I'm still not over it. That's pretty plain to see. Thank you. So we just put out a record in May of last year called Bear Your Mind. And this next song's gonna be on it. You guys like to bounce? Let me see you guys get bouncy. I'm trying to see who's the bounciest city of them all on this tour. Let's hear it. Puzzle from the thrift store up in Missouri. There in my thoughts are underwound. Nothing's ever vibrant. I feel blank and gray. I'm constantly asking myself, what's it? It all seems the same. It makes no sense. And I should care. I walk around and I continue to breathe in the air. Where am I? I'm lost in missing pieces like a puzzle from the jigsaw that I think it's a red. Where am I? Every one says that I'm better. I'm better. I'm engineering and God of Thank you. Give it up for all the bands that have played tonight. Give it up for our good friends in Jetty Bones. And of course, the Hot Mulligan Boys. And of course, give it up for the bands that come after us. Boston Manor. And the legends themselves, Knuckle Puck. We're really excited to be a part of this tour. You guys cool if we play an old song? We're playing older song.
Ever made the call? Standing on the edge so I can contemplate the fall. Did you forget the time you ever went out the body side? Always making better if you never let it down. I got the values of the battle, but that's all we value. Can't let the devil in you, everything you got to watch. I'm ready to fall. I'm not ready to fall.
Thank you. Make sure to take care of each other out there. Woo. You guys are a rowdy one tonight. We got love for you, Hamilton. Some of our boys in Seaway are in the crowd somewhere tonight. I love those boys. I'm gonna blow up their spot real quick. Speaking of that record we put out in May, and speaking of what I was doing with the Seaway boys earlier, which is drinking, this next song is about drinking. Put out a music video for it not too long ago. Hamilton, Ontario, I am the fucking liquor.
For the second night this week, I called my friends, asked if they could come over. They got plans. They try to invite me, but it's not that exciting. Puts his bottle
make sense, or if I'll ever know things. I hope for the best. I need rest. I feel the wet breath on my chest. Open my eyes, take a breath. I know exactly what comes next. Get through my lips, get through it all. Can I break along my wall? And I just want to know, what did I do wrong? Soon as it ends, now can refrain from any attempt to scream, 'cause every signal coming from my brain is in vain. It's not fair. Everything's everything over. That's my thing to say. Calm down and get in bed. I hope I was all over soon. I hope you finally have. As your voices start to fade, the shadows blow away. To find your escape. All right, Hamilton. Let's see who's crazier in Canada, Hamilton or Ottawa. Ottawa went pretty crazy for this fight last night. So I want to see you guys go crazy. What favorably right behind me. A couple of tears roll down my cheeks. I know that I am free. I am free, even if it's momentarily. Talk to my knees. I am free. I am free. I know that I am free. I am free, even if it's momentarily. I know that I am free. I am free. I am free. I know that I am free. I am free. I am free. I am free. You guys won. What the fuck was I thinking when I told you how you felt and I left you there hanging out to dry? Spent my afternoon drinking, drunkenly confessing to the clouds as if they were all alive. The sky doesn't offer advice to a man that doesn't have his own. And I don't have my own. Yeah, give yourself a round of applause. You definitely beat Ottawa. What the fuck were you thinking when I told you I was wrong and that I thought that I had made a huge mistake and I had to quit blinking? Fuck me, I did it again. To take a mental picture, it could be the last time I see your face. Your photographic memory doesn't know the loss for words, of which I have none, of which I have none. Of which I have none. was I thinking when you told me how you felt and I left you there hanging out to dry? This song's about body image and learning how to love yourself. I'm sick and tired of running out of love. Suppose I tried to deny, but turn out on the line. I pretend that I am innocent to find. Every way that everything on my body and my life. Try to get to me. Thank you guys so much. It's going to be our last song. We're Free Throw from Nashville. It's been a pleasure, Hamilton. See you guys get crazy as you can before Boston Manor comes up here, and then get crazy as you can for them.